Since this year has come to an end, let's look back to find out the series we spent watching all this year. During the lockdown, boredom exposed many hidden talent in us. Some of us were cooks, some dancers, some short-lived gym freaks, but definitely full-time binge watcher. We consumed a lot of great content in the pandemic, maybe because we had nothing to do better. Since this year has almost come to an end, so today I am here with a list of best 2020 shows ranked by IMDb. Hello friends and welcome back to my another video. Today I am here with top 5 rated TV shows of 2020. So without wasting your much time, let's start the video. So if we talk about the first one, then it is The Boys. Superheroes are often as popular as celebrities, as influential as politicians, and sometimes even as revered as God. But that's when they are using their power for good. What happens when the heroes go rogue and start abusing their power? When it is the powerless against the super powerful. The boys head out on a heroic quest to expose the truth about the Seven and what the multi-billion-dollar conglomerate that manages the superheroes and cover up their dirty secrets. Based on the comic book series of the same name, a group of vigilantes when stand against superpowered individual forms a perfect package of thriller and action. The show has blown away offers. It tops the list of best show of 2020, so if you haven't watched it yet, then you definitely should. Our next show is Money Heist. A criminal mastermind who goes by the Professor has a plan to pull off the biggest heist in recorded history, to print billions of euros in the Royal Mint of Spain. To help him carry out the ambitious plan, he recruits 8 people with certain abilities and who have nothing to lose. The group of thieves take hostages to aid in their negotiation with the authorities, who strategies to come up with a way to capture the professor. As more time elapses, the robbers prepare for a shutdown with the police. The show that introduced us to the wicked mind of El Professor and developed a cult following for all the right reason. The Spanish show, originally known as La Casa de Papel, premiered in 2017, still lies in this list. Our next show is Dark. When 2 children go missing in a small German town, it is sinful past is exposed along with the double life and fractured relationship that exists among 4 families as they search for the kids. The mystery drama series introduces an intricate puzzle filled with twists that includes a web of curious characters, all of whom have a connection to the town's troubled history whether they know it or not. The story includes supernatural elements that tie back to the same town in 1986. Dark represents the first German original series produced for Netflix. The show that tastefully combines physics with drama made us make note to keep track. The German time travel show was the most twisted out of the lot, but that did not stop us being it. And our fourth show is Ozark, created by Bill Dubuque, the accountant, the judge. This drama series stars Jason Bateman as Matthew Barrett, a financial planner who relocates his family from Chicago to a summer resort community in the Ozarks. With wife Wendy and their 2 kids in Tomati is on the move after a money laundering scheme goes wrong, forcing him to pay off a substantial debt to a Mexican drug lord in order to keep his family safe. While the Barrett's faith hangs in the balance, the dire circumstances force the fractured family to reconnect. Well-developed plots with intelligent character, Ozark made us hooked instantly. Our last series is The Mandalorian. A lone gunfighter makes his way through the outer reach of the galaxy far from the authority of the New Republic. The Mandalorian premiered on Disney Plus on November 12, 2019. The 8-episode first season was met with positive reviews. It was nominated for Outstanding Drama Series at the 72 Premier Time Emmy Awards and won 7 Primetime Creative Arts Emmy Awards. A second season premiered on October 30, 2020, with a third season scheduled to premiere in late December 2021. Two planned spin-off series announced in December 2020 will expand on the series timeline: Rangers of the New Republic and Ashoka. The sci-fi show set in the Star Wars universe has undoubtedly earned its spot on this list. So these were the 5 top rated shows of 2020. Let us know in the comments which of these have you watched. It really takes you a few seconds to hit the subscribe button, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell us in the comment if you want to know more of them. Till then, stay tuned to our channel for more such content. I hope that you all enjoy watching this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.